So now guys, let's play Roblox. Let's play Mini War guys. Ano ba? Nagbablog nga ako eh. So yan guys. I'm playing with with the cute man something. Let's play guys, Mini War. This is the game guys, Mini War. It's a game of full of the you can fight with another. Link ka. Ipopost ko to sa YouTube. Oo na, meron pa naman. So guys, oo na, ako rin, dalawa. So this is a skyscraper guys. You make another lintik. You make a city deal. You make a country. My country is Philippines. This is a Vietnam, but Vietnam or Taiwan. Mine is Philippines. So this is my camp. Una sa lahat, but may missile. That's okay guys. Kasi let's fight this. Sorry guys, medyo it's noise in background music guys. Let's fight this Taiwan. Yeah. Let's fight the Taiwan. Overpower. So let's buy road. To improve my missile launcher in stock. Ako. Let's buy missile launcher. This is a missile launcher. The missile launcher is so big. This is another missile launcher. The elite base, guys. The elite base. This is the elite base.
What's elite base?
This is the elite. This is the elite base. Let's punishment the elite base because the elite base is the elite base is let's make a road in the middle of the tower of the statue of the military. Wow! The army 2 is now in the Wibit. So the army 2 is army 1 siya. Alin ba yung mga army 1? Ito ba army 1 ba ito? Army 1. Unit assigned So, hindi ko magets yung army na to, guys. Ano ba ito? Ayun. The hangar. Add to army 2. Add to army 2. Units, guys.
I have a tool that fix guys, and I also have a tool to, and I have a tool to kill the units of humanity. So we will defend And this is the so the server is so big to my country. Let's fight the city, guys. Let's fight the city. I'm gonna send to the city. Let's do this. Kaya mo ng ano ata doon, 10 million. Ay. Let's The Area 51 is now in research, guys. So that cost 5 billion. I have 10 million. Let's collect the entire buildings. Let's
Yay! Alliance. Ay, isa lang alliance ko. Pwede. Isa lang. Si Joseph. Oh, ay... So, the ano guys.
Baka sinamutan mo.
Barracks. Military.
Saan may
I need tech. Nutang. Nutang. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Kalimutan ko, nagbablog pala ako. Linde. Ayaw niya maano guys. Wag na. Let's make the road ulit. So the game is first guys.